Most people get this wrong. They think SnapCred is just another payday or buy now pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access, installment payment options, and budgeting tools in one platform. Used responsibly, SnapCred can help manage short-term cash needs without creating long-term debt. Here's how SnapCred works. The app allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. Eligible purchases can be split into smaller installments over a few weeks. SnapCred charges a flat, predictable fee per advance or split, rather than traditional interest, which makes managing your cash much easier. SnapCred also includes dashboards, reminders, and notifications that let you track spending and upcoming payments. These features help avoid late fees and encourage more responsible financial habits. The downside, overusing SnapCred can get costly. Frequent advances or missed payments add up quickly, and relying too much on the app may hide deeper financial problems. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances you can repay on time. 2. Enable repayment notifications. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependency. Who benefits most? People with regular income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing bigger purchases. If your income is irregular or repayment discipline is weak, SnapCred could cost more than it saves. In conclusion, SnapCred in 2026 is a helpful financial tool, but only when used wisely. Track fees, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for more honest financial app reviews and practical money tips.